I want you to imagine this with me. It's Sunday morning and you're at a restaurant enjoying a nice hot Americano with 2 cream. You're reading the local newspaper, and when you turn to the back page, you see this amazing ad. 35% off on a new Ram truck. You leap up from your seat, jump into your Ford, and bolt over to the local Ram dealer. Fortunately, they're right across the street from the restaurant, so you get there in a jiffy. Pulling in, you spy your new truck, boldly emblazoned with the 35% off decals that will announce your negotiating prowess to all your friends and neighbors as you drive around your neighborhood in your new Ram. But I digress. Upon arriving at the Ram store, you jump out of your truck, look around, credit card in hand, desperately trying to find a salesperson to take your money. But it's cold out, they're probably all hiding indoors. You race to the showroom door and are devastated when you finally realized it's Sunday and they're closed. Now this happens all the time in your business, right? Obviously not. The sales process of getting some to say yes to your product or service always has a starting point. For me, when I bought my new truck, it was because I looked at the odometer on my old vehicle and thought, gee, that's getting kind of high. So how does a car dealer get me from, gee, that's getting kind of high, to, and here's the new keys for your new F-150, Rich? You see, there's always a buyer's journey, and you need to understand how to get your buyers from one end to the other. At the Buyer's Journey workshop, you're going to learn how to dissect that entire process. You'll discover how to find that best point where you should enter the conversation that's already occurring in their head. And we'll reveal to you the most effective way to present your product or service that moves your prospect into a buyer. The Buyer's Workshop is a 2-hour workshop where you'll learn how to build this process for your business. The Buyer's Journey is being held at the Integra Business Center Wednesday, February the 12th from 6 to 8 p.m. Seating for the workshop is limited, and there is a $20 fee which includes a workbook and refreshments. To register, go to richardbuchert.com/thebuyer'sjourney or click the link below.